Today, we're going to review how to view our portfolio page on Black Diamond, which is the main dashboard. From our home page, we go to Portfolio, then Dashboard. Now, with this, we can sort any time period that we want, from month to date, year to date, quarter to date, last 12 months, or since inception, which is when we first started, and then click Apply. From there, we have different charts. Starting from left to right, performance gives us a breakdown of our investments. And if we hover our mouse over the blue line, we get a running total of how much our account has grown over time. Upcoming interest payments breaks down all the interest payments you have upcoming over the next 12 months. With your dividend interest, which is interest from stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs, and also interest payments, which are interest from CDs, bank notes, and structured notes. And as we hover over, it breaks it down from a month-to-month time period. Investment allocation shows us how our money is allocated, with the green being in cash, which is money market and cash accounts. The blue fixed income, which are CDs, structured notes, fixed mutual funds, and fixed ETFs. And also equities, which are stock mutual funds, stock ETFs, and stocks on the stock market. As we scroll down, gains and losses breaks down as we hover over the blue line, how our account value goes up, went down with COVID, went back up again in our gain. And then of course, as the market's down right now, goes down, which eventually will go back up. Interest payments from a dividend standpoint, like Apple, and then what day. Interest payments from your bank notes, like this bank that paid us $275 on 5/31 of 2022. And also this bank that paid us $215 on 4/22 of 22. Fixed income penalties if you sell your investments early. These are your bank notes. So how bank notes and CDs are structured, they're insured and guaranteed if you hold them to maturity. We have to show how much the banks are currently holding. So the banks are currently holding unrealized $120,000 of a person's principal. So if they sell their guaranteed investments today, they would lose $120,000 because they did not hold these bank notes until maturity. If we hold them to maturity and meet the parameters of the bank note, then this $120,000 is giving back to the client. But we do show what they're currently holding. Fixed income rate shows you the market value of your fixed income, how many bonds or CDs you have, years to maturity, and the coupon rate, which is 21.14%. Account allocation, how many accounts that you have, your contributions and withdrawals. So when you deposit money, we show that. And also if you withdraw money, we show that as well. And then also what date. And the last sections, total earned income paid to you. In this case, this person was paid 656 different times, total amount of $74,000. Buys and sales, when investments were bought, what investments were sold, and what amount was bought and sold. Then also fixed income payment history, when things were bought, when things were sold, and also when things were paid from an interest standpoint. And this is how we view our dashboard.